Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here long chain compound is 3 functional groups are there. One is alcohol, another is chlorine, another is ester. Reacting with acid and water. Next step you are using amine and heat. You have to guess what will be the final product. Here many functional groups are there. Whenever you think of many functional group, you imagine the cyclization. Here possibility is a nucleophilic addition. OH is better nucleophile, so it attacks. You have ester to carbonyl formation. You have new cyclic ring formation. New 5-member ring is formed. Then you have hydrogen, which is acidic because it's in between the chlorine and oxygen. So 2 electronegative group make it acidic. So anion is there. Water elimination. Finally you have conjugated ester. Here the mechanism is happening through E1CB because of the stable conjugated base formation. The concept you outline here is, if you have many functional groups, you should imagine the cyclization reaction. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.